Okay, guys, I want you to open up your science journal. You're going to go to your forms of energy page where we're doing melts. We've done mechanical, electrical, and light. And today you're going to fill in thermal. You can start and stop this video as much as you need. So let's talk about thermal. Okay. Thermal is heat energy. And let me get rid of that because that was not supposed to be. Okay, so heat energy. Okay, some examples of heat energy. So if you go over here, one example is body temperature. Another example is cooking food. And then the last example would be evaporating water. All right, so get that filled in. Okay, now we're going to fill this one in. So make sure that you have cut it out. Make sure that you've put thermal energy at the top of your journal. And now we're going to go fill in this little thing right here. Okay, so let's start with, when we're talking about thermal energy, let's start with the definition. Okay, so the definition of thermal energy is energy related to the temperature of an object or substance. Energy related to the temperature of an object or substance. And remember, you can start and stop your video anytime you need to. All right, so let's look at some examples. An example of thermal energy. A glass of ice water left out, which causes the ice to begin to melt. So the ice melting. Another example of thermal energy would be a campfire. We get heat from a campfire. The sun, a hot engine of a car or bus, a stove or oven. Those are all examples of thermal energy. Okay, let's go up here and draw some examples. One example, of course, and we drew this one yesterday, would be the sun. The sun is our main source of heat and light. We have some boiling water. And we'll draw this one again because it's pretty easy to draw, a campfire. Okay, we're going to draw some wood and then draw some fire. So a campfire. Okay, so get those drawn. All right, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to look at examples, non-examples. Remember, non means not. Okay, a bird chirping. A bird chirping has nothing to do with thermal energy. or riding a bike. A bird chirping would actually be sound energy, which we're going to get into next week. And riding a bike would actually be mechanical energy. Okay, so y'all get this filled in. When you're done filling this in, you can put your science journal up, and then you need to get back into Schoology and see what your next assignment is.